Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am saving throughout the year. So let's get started. Let's see, what are we going to do first? Let's do our every Friday of 2025. Perfect. And the last Friday of July is the 25th. So let's get that colored on in. And this is created by Mandy's Money _budgets on Etsy. So 20 and 5. And I count up after I finish a month. And that is an extra payment towards debt. So for the month of July, 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, $58. So 58. Let's see. Oh, why did I just write a 2? Oh my goodness. 58. Hot mess already. Look, I just started. Not even 2 minutes into the video. So that's $58 will go towards the extra payment towards debt. And next we have our weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And what I am doing, which I don't even have out, towards my D8. Is this? Nope, that's a D12. All right, my D8. So I roll a D8, and this is for the last week of July also. And that is a 7. And this goes towards my son's senior year, class of 2026, which is coming up. 5, 6, and 7. Should we see how much we got so far, since this is the last of July? So we got 120, 40, 46, 47. So $147. Like I said, that's probably for his cap and gown right there. All right. So next we got our save with Judy. And this is each icon is $5. And I am going to put, I'm just going to do the 1-5. And then I might have to double up next week. But because we put so much for the every Friday, so go ahead and put color 1 star and put this $5. Excuse me. And this is also saving for his senior year. Hold on, let me drink some water, because I done filmed like 4 videos and my voice is gone. All right. Okay, let's see. We have 150, 60, 5, 70. So $170 there. Okay, that's good. Saves $300. I am craving a strawberry matcha, Gems. The place that has my favorite matcha, they also have a mango matcha. I haven't tried that yet, but sounds delicious. All right, so we have Spring Fling, and I think I'm going to finish this one, because this one I'm saving for back to school. So we have 5 of the 3, so that's 15. And we only have 1 purple? So that'd be $16. Yeah, I think that's right. Oh dear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 15. And it's purple, which is 16. So $16, 10, 15, 16. And let's see, this was created by Coco Chic Living. And let's see how much total we saved. Because I want to go ahead and get what they need for back to school. So we have 120, 30, 5, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, $144. That is perfect. So let me write, what should I put 144 at? So I'm put 144. Okay. That is cute. All right. Next we have Santa's Coming to Town, and this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets in Champagne's Corner. And we're going to pour our normal 20 in here and get our saving challenge. So we finished this one. We're working on this one. Oh, forgot to get my calculator so I can add in my 20. We have our cards here. I'm just going to shuffle them up just in case we need it. And let's roll a 4-sided die. So, or should I just, since we almost finished, I'm not going to roll a die. I'm just going to start with start and work our way around because I finished a lot of these already. So the first one is a card. And this is save an odd amount. So let's do 1. Next is 3, so minus 3. Next is 1, so minus 1. And we got another card. Oh dear. Back 2 spaces. So let's go 1, 2. So minus 1. All right. Oh no, why did I just pull a card? No, that's not supposed to happen. I'm supposed to just start here. So back 4. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we got a card again. Any amount. Let's do 2. I'm gonna just cross out that back 4. Is that all of them? No, we have one more card, right? Yeah. Let's see what this card is going to be. Double the next turn. Let's do should I just roll and then double that amount? Yeah, let's do that. Let's roll a 6-sided die and then we'll double 2. So we're saving $4. So minus 4. So $8. Is that completed? Yes, that is completed. So perfect. Oh, we finished that one. We have $8. Let's do a roll. So we have 3. So minus 3, $5. So let's go to, let's do a 5 on here. So then minus 5, and that is $20. Perfect. And let's see, what do we got for, oh, I'm just tossing stuff. So what we got for Christmas so far? And I've got Christmas in this book and Christmas in my holiday savings too. So this one got 100, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 86, 87, 88. So 288 in here. That is not bad. 288. All right, and let's put the remainder in our, say, 2025 and 2025. And this is, I'm just saving for my taxes next year. So it won't feel like I'm just like, just giving the money out just to them. I'm just gradually having fun with this saving challenge here created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So today we're going to put 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And do we have a 27? No, but let's do, can we do 27 minus 18? Do I have a 9? No, of course not. 27 minus 15 is a 12. Yes, so let's do 15 and 12. Let's do that one and this color. Perfect. All right, so minus 12. All right, so that is the $27. Oh dear, what is going on? I think it's time for a nap. All right, so let's see what we have. We have 900 and 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 97, 98, 99, 100. So that's 1,000 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have $1,004. Perfect. So I'm just going to wipe that off and put 1,000. So $1,004 saved out of the $2,025. Perfect. All right, gems, that was $100 put in my year of savings. I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.